onto the back foot early on, and it's up to them to respond in a positive manner. Anjan Bist, as he often does, then swapping wings with Bimal Magar. Bimal Magar normally does play down the right because he is a left-footed player, so likes playing in that inverted wingers role. Now this comes in for Anjan. Terrific save, but Bimal Magar scores! In the 5th minute, Nepal have the lead. And can you believe it? It's just impossible to stop the Gurkhalis for scoring. Bharti Magar notches up his 2nd goal of these championships. First a header from Anjan Bist. Outstanding save from Mahbub Al Dosari, but tremendous goal poacher's instinct. He was lurking right there. He was just waiting for that ball to fall. And very quick to respond to it was Bimal Magar. And as they say, finders, keepers, losers, weepers. Because he got to that faster than Salem Adil. And inside the 5th minute, we have a lead for Nepal to defend this. Shalal put under pressure. Navayuk right across him. Well won. A chance for Nepal still. Cross sent in, but no player at the end of it. But look at the effort here being put in. Anjan Bist, that's superhuman, into the box. Could this be a chance for Nepal? Cuts it back. Fantastic finish. That is surely game, set and match for them. Nepal have scored their 2nd, and now the Bangabandhu Gold Cup 2016 presented by AB Bank is going all the way back to Kathmandu, ladies and gentlemen, to watch and confirm. But look at this effort from Anjan Bist. Puts pressure on the left back. Salman Abdullah completely harried, cuts it back, and a fantastic last bit of touch. And guess who it is? It is yet another touch from that really, really impressive player of theirs. It's Bishal Rai who gets his 2nd goal of the Bangabandhu. And this year, from the look of things, Bikesh Kuttu will do much better. Al Dosari has come way out of his ground. There could be a chance for another goal. It's been turned in. Surely a finisher. It is for Navayuk Shrestha. It's a 3rd goal. What an assist from Bimal Bharti Magar. And the Nepal team once again is turning on the style. They are winning this national football go. This will be one of the very best that you'll ever get to see. Mahbub Al Dosari was off his line, which is why it needed a pinpoint cross and a good finish as well. Look at that cross from Bimal Magar, and look at the finish from Navayuk Shrestha as well. Keeping his wits about him, needed just a decent enough header and right into the center of the goal because there was no goalkeeper. Even though there was a defender there on the line, it was hit with enough